Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to change your profile picture on LinkedIn. So to do that, first you need to open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Then in here, sign up to LinkedIn. After you log in to your LinkedIn account, click your profile located at the top right corner of your screen and then click view profile. Click the camera or your picture here and upload a photo. You can also use camera. So locate your picture and then adjust your picture, and if the picture is perfect, then save photo. So that's how to change your profile picture on LinkedIn. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.